Hello everyone. On this video, I don't know if you all know, but I'm in the process of converting a camper, a van to a camper van, and pretty soon you're gonna have more videos on YouTube and all. But on this video in particular, I want to show how I'm actually building a slide out. I've never seen anyone doing yet. I did a bit of search, and there is not many videos on YouTube about it. So I'm kind of guessing on the go, like, so what kind of materials use and things like that. And the idea of all this is share with you guys how I done it, and hopefully if someone else wants to go for it, I'm sure will not have the same challenges as I probably will have on this project. So what I have done so far, I actually got this box made already. So this is 1.8 mil marine plywood. So what I have done is this box with 90 centimeters in width, 50 in height, and my idea is to get like a rail around here that goes to the inside platform I've already built, like for the bed in the back of the van. So this is actually gonna go to the side of the van, and so the deep is actually 50 centimeters as well. So the total bed will be 2 meters 20 in length. So I'm 198 centimeters. So it's quite tight for me at the moment. And inches will be 6. I'm 6'6" in height. So that will be enough for me, I guess. Yeah, so the idea then is to build a channel here where the rail, the runner are going to go afterwards, and then I'm smoothing the corners here. So my idea is on the side of the van afterwards, I'm going to drill a hole on the wall, seal it with car rubber, like the ones that we use in car doors, similar to that, to then make sure that I'm not going to have any leakings. And then once this box is finished, I'm going to actually cover with the same lino material that people use in roofing. So hopefully it will work out and not going to have any leakings in the future. And then, so basically this is the inside, and then this is going to be the outside of the, that's going to be shown on the outside of the van. And my idea here is with the leftover that I'm going to cut from the metal of the van, I'm going to have this attached here, and then the final design of it, put it this way, will be our original side window that are going to glue into that metal, and hopefully it will work out. So I'm gonna have it slide out, hopefully. Keep you guys posted, and I will show to you all the process I gone through, and I will go through and see how it shows up.